warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Farhani binti Adnan. My metric number is 261812. Okay, today I want to present about business plan. My business plan is Chada Premier Senderang Berhad. Okay, next, as you can see, my slide is executive summary. Name of business is Chada Premier Senderang Berhad. Okay, address at Wilayah Persekutuan Kuala Lumpur. Platform for sale is online shopper application, company website, and physical outlet. Okay. Slogan of my business is quality is our priority. Okay. Type of business is individual license. Then I will explain about business summary. Purpose of the business. The aim of the Chada Premier Senderang Berhad is to meet the consumer needs of customers suffering from back pain and wanting a comfortable bed sheet to relax. In order to satisfy consumer requirement, we are committed to ensuring that we provide our customer with the best products, including information about flyers, back pain, and quick service. Okay, next I have a management team. First, managing director. Second, financial manager. Third, human and resource manager. Fourth, logistic and strategy planning. Okay, next, as you can see, my vision and mission for our company is be a top leader in modern bedsheet and help create solution and improvement to current bedsheet product. For the mission is to give the best service that satisfy consumer needs and high quality of product. Okay, then I will present about market analysis pie chart. So you can see the pie chart. The largest growth 25% is fashion. Our main market for our product is people who have a health condition because of an injury or something else. Okay. So it is because using our product will make them feel more secure when sleeping. Okay. Then as a secondary sector, we will go after adults. This is because in comparison to young people, adults are more likely to get more sleep. They will have their profit, which will encourage them to purchase our product without regard for their budget. Okay, for SWOT analysis. Okay, SWOT analysis are used to assess our company at the current level before any strategy are developed. We will figure out what is good for our company and what is not good for us. So for the strength are marketing, delivery service, and committed workforce. For the weakness, price, competition price, new experience. Okay. For opportunity, product packaging workshop for our staff. For strength, our competitor, unstable economy, and not targeting teenagers. Okay. For the marketing, we are promote our product using the online site such as Instagram, Telegram, Facebook, and offline advertisement. Our agent also promotes our product around the world. Okay. Next, for delivery service, our 24-hour delivery service is always available. We will post it once the payment has happened to the client who is far from our location. Okay. Besides that, for the committed workforce, we commit ourselves to jointly managing our company. During public holidays, we also arrange working time. Next, for your weakness, price competition. Price is a common consideration before the client wish to purchase from us. Our price is a little higher, and for some people like students, we think it's not affordable for them to purchase it. But in order to resolve the issue, we agree to focus mostly on patients, the very ill, and those who have their own money. Then new experience. Both our employees are new to the management of the company. Okay, for opportunity, product packaging. Packaging is the one thing that enhance our company name. Customer satisfaction is determined. Our product packaging use the gold and white color as the theme. This shows that the value of the community is costly and stylish. Okay, for a workshop for our staff, we encourage our employee to participate in any workshop that can help our business. For treat competition, our business is new and usual. Many competitors offer the same product as our company. This is always the case with the new companies such as us. Unstable economy. The challenge are also becoming unstable economics. There is because we are not expecting it, and because the government is obligated to regulate the country economy with the downturn in the economy. It would reduce our profit while also selling below our margins. Next, I will explain about strategy and implementation summary. First, marketing strategy. Various elements in the marketing measure, also known as a commodity price and promotion, make up our company's marketing strategy. The marketing mix refers to these three organizations and increased bedsheet sales. Second, product. Chadar Premium Sandal Bahar is the item that we market globally. These bedsheets are extremely useful for people who suffer from back problem and need a comfortable bedsheet to help them relax. Third, price. Just RM60 per unit for this Chadar Premium. Even though these bedsheets are very useful and exclusive, the price is inexpensive and fair. Promotion. According to Wikipedia, marketing is the process by which a company raises consumer awareness of a product. Promotion is also possible when people communicate in two ways. For instance, when a seller asks or convinces a buyer, this is referred to as promotion. Okay, as you can see the table, sales forecast and strategy. Okay, from the sales budget prepared, we assume that we can sell 500 units of Chadar Premium for the first month of January with RM60 per unit. We estimate that the unit of product sold will be increased 10% in the next month. So the total units sold in September is 550 units. It also increased by 50 units from the current sale of the units sold. While for the month of December, the unit of Chadar Premium increased by 220 units. It shows that the units sold of the Chadar increased 40% from the previous month of units sold. Okay, next slide I will explain about CVP analysis and break-even. Okay, so the fixed cost has rental, utilities, and management team salaries. So for the total fixed cost has 6,000. Okay, variable cost we have only direct raw material. So direct raw material is only 25 ringgit. For overhead cost, we have indirect material, packaging Chadar Premium, and indirect labor. Okay, so overall we have selling price is 60 ringgit. Fixed cost is 6,000, and variable cost is 25 ringgit. Okay, next I will explain about break-even analysis. The break-even point can be defined as a point where total cost and total sales are equal. So contribution margin per unit is 35 ringgit. Contribution margin ratio is 58%. Break-even point is 171 units, and break-even point in ringgit Malaysia is 10,285 ringgit 71 cents. Based on the calculation, Chadar Premium would need to sell 171 units to break even, which is 10,285 ringgit 71 cents in total sales revenue. Okay, I will explain about the budget analysis. first operating budget. We can see total Premier sendirian berhad sales budget for the coming months of January until March. Okay, so the total budget sale in January is 13,000, for February 33,000, and for March 46,200. Okay, for a second, for production budget. For production budget, we can see total needs in January 6,610, for February 704, for March 890. So the total 1,940. So we need minus with beginning inventory. For the 1st January 0, for February 110, for March 154. So required production in January 610, for February 594, for March is 736. Next, I will explain about raw material purchase budget. Okay. For January production 610, material per unit only 3. So production needs 1,830. Replace with desired ending inventory 178 cents. So total need 2,008.20 cents. So material to be purchased is 2,008.20 cents. So for February, material to be purchased is 1,824.60 cents. For March is 2,237.20 cents. Okay, for direct labor budget, for January, total budget direct labor cost is 560. For February, 499. For March, 443. So the total is 1,502. Okay, for manufacturing overhead budget, for January is 5,980. For February is 5,852. For March is 6,988. So for the total is 18,820. As you can see the slide, budget cash receipt is a financial budget. So the total budget cash receipt on January is 30,000. For February is 33,000, and for March is 46,200. So the total budget cash receipt from January until March is 1,900. Okay, for budget cash payment, you can see January budget cash payment is 13,244 and 62 cents. For February is 30,249 and 4 cents. For March is 14,503.60 cents. So the total budget cash payment for the 3 months is 14,997 and 20 cents. Cash budget is the coming month January until March is ending cash balance for January 19,755 and 8 cents. For February is 36,506 4 cents, and March is 68,202.88 cents. So for the total January until March is 68,202 0.88 cents. Now you can see financial plan, projected profit and loss. Cara permisan dan berhad projected profit and loss for the period of January until March 2021. Okay, sales revenue is 1,900 minus cost of goods sold, beginning inventory is 0, so plus with purchase is 6,070. So the total cost of goods sold is 6,070 minus with ending inventory is 250. So cost available for sale is 5,820. So we so gross profit, sales revenue minus cost available for sale is 103,380. Okay, so minus with expenses, labor wages 1,502, utilities 6,600, rental 2,400, salaries 15,000, packaging charge is 3,000. So indirect material is 50,520. So the total expenses is 35,222. So the net profit is 68,055. Okay, the projected cash flow is Kada premiers in Berhad for the period of January until March 2021. Total cash receipt for the January 38,000, for the February 33,000, for March is 46,200. So cash disbursements is 13,245 for January. For February is 13,249, and for March is 14,503. So net cash flow we get 24,755 in January. In February and March, 19,755 and 31,697. So ending cash balance is 24,755 in January. In February, 44,506. In March is 76,203. Okay, next projected balance sheet. Cara permisan dalam Berhad as 31 March 2021. So non-current asset is machinery 500. Current asset is cash 76,203. Inventory 150. So total current assets is 76,353. So total asset, non-current asset plus current asset is 76,853. So the current liability is account payable only. This is 795. So owner equity is capital 8,000, net profit 68,058. Total owner equity is 76,055. So total liability and owner equity is 76,853. Okay, so the last part is financial ratio. So we can see the liquidity ratio is a current ratio and quick ratio. For the current ratio, my company can achieve 96.07 times. So that means Cara Permisan dalam Berhad has RN 96.07 in current asset for every 1 ringgit in current liability. So for the current ratio Current ratio, company get 95.88 times. For every 1 ringgit of current liability, China Premium Standard Berhad has 95 ringgit 88 of quick assets and 95.88 of quick assets to pay for it. So activity ratio is inventory turnover. Okay, my company will get 40.47 times. That means the inventory sold of 40.47 times. The higher the inventory turnover ratio, the more efficiently this business is able to manage its inventory. Next, leverage ratio. Leverage ratio, my company got 1.03%. That means the shows that percentage of this lower company capital structure financial by debt is China Premium Standard Berhad has 1.03% debt. Okay, last is profitability ratio, profit margin. So my company get 62.32%. This company show that they can generate more than 60% in profit for every one ringgit in sales. Okay, so that's all for my business plan presentation. Thank you.